My name is Justin Allen McCauley, and I am the new principal at North American International School. I'm excited to announce that North American International School has open admissions available for KG 1 and 2. We will be doing an open enrollment open house on August 19th at North American International School at 6 p.m. If you have a KG 1 or KG 2 student, please come by North American International School and meet me personally so we can talk about how we can prepare your student with a solid foundation for their upcoming education. Thank you. Please check out all of these images of what North American International School has to offer your students.